Thanksgiving. There's our chef. Chef, guys. Hi, chef.
Ay, amienta.
Wow, the turkey gobble. Preparing for the dinner. We got arroz con leche. It's like a sweet rice. We get some spicy salsa. We're busy decorating this one right here last night. It's perfect for our family dinner. Give thanks. Family gather here with a grateful heart. We are thankful and blessed. Tayo naka-ready guys dahil nagluto tayo. Decorate dito sa ating bahay. Nandito kami sa garahe. We're gonna have a dinner right here. Kasi marami tayong bisita mamaya. Been doing all day guys, setting up our table and ready for our family dinner. We got some turkey that Ali and I made. Turkey strawberry, sweet, covered with chocolate. And here you go guys. Ating lechon kawali. Ang sarap niya guys, crispy na crispy. Meron tayo ditong chili, oil with peanut, and our soy sauce with lemon. Ang spicy. Dito natin ilalagay yung turkey natin mamaya. Meron tayong mashed potato. Ito yung host nyo guys. Hello. Yan, nakapag-ayos na tayo kanina, 'di ba? Ngarag-ngarag pa ngayon. Medyo nakaayos na tayo ng maigi. So yan, tayo nag-set up niyan all day today. Pati itong ating balloons dito at ang ating signage diyan. Happy Thanksgiving guys! Ayan, nakapag-decorate na tayo. At ito na yung setup natin for our dining table. Yan, maayos na natin yan. Diba? Wow, may camera girl ako. It's time guys, let's eat. All our visitors are here and let's eat and have fun. Again, happy Thanksgiving!